In previous discussion, we looked at the nature of socio-technical systems. And this leads to a practical question. How do we approach change in systems that are constantly evolving and where many of constraints are not directly visible? One way to respond is to introduce better tools or more structured process. But in practice, that is usually not enough. Because the challenge is not only in execution, it is in how we understand the system in the first place. So, before defining methods, it helps to shift the perspective from trying to control the system to learning how to work with. This shift can be summarized in few guiding ideas. First, see the system as it is, not as it is designed and it is not documented, but as it actually behaves in place. Second, focus on what truly matters. Not every part of the domains of the system carries the same weight. Some areas are business critical for us, others not. Understanding the difference is essential. Third, adapt to what emerges. In socio-technical systems, not everything can be predicted in advance. New behavior appears as the system evolves, and our approach must be able to respond to that. And finally, support continuous evolution. Transformation is not a one-time activity. It is an ongoing process of adjustment and refinement. Taken together, these ideas define a different way of approaching software transformation, not as a fixed plan, but as a structured way of working with complexity. This is where the Systemic Event Discovery approach, or SEDA, comes in. SEDA is not introduced as the standalone framework. As a practical way to apply this perspective, it focuses on observing the system through events, meaningful changes that occur as work moves through the socio-technical system. By looking at these events, it becomes possible to understand how the system behaves across boundaries, between teams, between processes, and between technical and organizational structures. Based on this, SEDA is structured into 4 steps. Each step focuses on different aspects of working with socio-technical system, understanding it, reshaping it, observing it, and sustaining its evolution over time. We will go through these steps one by one, starting with first one, how to make system visible in a structured way.